Hi guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I have come up with some cool stress relieving toys and gadgets which will help you a lot if you're in stress or depression. And even if you work a lot in a single place like at your desk, it will give you a boost up by killing your boringness. The first gadget is called Infinity Cube. It might seem simpler like any other cubes, but trust me, it's way more than that. Doesn't matter how many times you try to open it, it will keep opening non-stop ever. That's why it's called Infinity Cube. If you're very depressed or working for like too long at a place, anxiety and stress might crush you, then this gadget will be very helpful for you. It is an anti-anxiety and stress relieving cube. It is very small in size so that you can carry it anywhere you want. The next gadget may look like that it's sticking on its surface, but it's not. It's an kinetic art. When revolving it creates a full body optical illusion. It's mainly suitable for creators, makers, thinkers and anyone who wants to release their inner creativity and imagination. It is designed to spin on the desk floor or any flat surface. Simply rotate it by your hand to create an almost magical effect that looks like continuously flowing helix should merge into a surface of tabletop. It is great for those who work at a desk for a long time and feel so stressed and boring. This gadget will give you a boost up by relieving your stress. I only had these two super cool stress relieving toys for today. I hope you have liked it, and if you are suffering from stress, I hope these things will help you overcome it. If you liked my video, then please hit the like button, because that's the only way that I will be able to know if you liked my video or not. And if you didn't, just dislike it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more cool gadget videos like that. Till then, goodbye. Stay home, stay safe.